Welcome to the Huawei Enterprise Romania Global Service Center virtual tour. This is a showcase of one of the Huawei Enterprise Global Service Centers because besides the one in Romania, Huawei Enterprise has established globally two other GSCs, one in China and the other one in Mexico. This is also a virtual alternative to the on-site visit, and we hope that one day you can visit us and meet our team in Bucharest. The office facilities of Romania GSC cover 1,900 square meters and host a team of more than 160 people at the moment. We'll start the tour from the reception area, we'll continue with the exhibition hall to pass by the exhibition meeting room, we'll then arrive in the Global Network Operations Center room and we'll pass by the GNOC War Room. Then we'll go in the Customer Care Representative room, to the GTAC War Room, Global Technical Assistance Center War Room. We'll see the space of the Marketing and Channel Support Center. Then we'll pass by the Video Conference Room. We'll visit the Remote Delivery Center room, then arrive in the two open working space areas that belong to the Spare Parts team and the Technical Assistance Center teams. We'll continue with the training classroom and the laboratory facilities, and the visit will finish with the relax area and the cafeteria. This is the reception area of the Huawei Enterprise Romania JSC. In this place is where we take the official visit photos, and as you can see, on this wall we have the signature souvenirs from our visiting partners and customers. We hope that one day we can have your signature here. Going towards the exhibition hall, we can see this wall with the engraved Huawei logo and some Huawei products nomination. The exhibition hall was specially designed for the visits of partners and customers. And to begin with, we have the most important trophies and awards that our team was granted with. The latest one and most important was the rated outstanding for assisted and self-support services that we obtained in 2019 from the prestigious USA Technology Service Industry Association. This was granted to us after a thorough audit that checked more than 220 practices in the industry. We are very proud to have this certification, as very few companies have it around the world. Continuing, we have the visit photos from some visits of our partners and customers coming mostly from European countries like France, Italy, Hungary, Germany, and so on. Then on the same side, we have the management quality system certificates and of course the most important certification, the InfoSec ISO 27001, proving that we can ensure the availability, integrity, and confidentiality of customers' information. And in the following moments, we'll check the 7 screens from the exhibition hall in order to describe and have a better view of the services provided by the Huawei GSCs. We'll start with the concept of Global Service Center. This means a one-stop shop support platform providing 24/7 services, different type of services offered through the different business centers. As you can see around the world, besides the aforementioned JSCs, we also have 2 other regional tags and 3 country tags. In Romania JSC, we have 5 main business centers: the Technical Support Center, the Remote Delivery Center, the Network Operations Center, the Spare Parts Center, and the Marketing and Channel Support Center. Our services are available, as we were saying, 24/7 through multiple channels that can be reached by email, hotline, web clients, technical app, I know intelligent robot, and other means. Continuing, we have on the second screen the SR's map, the service request map, and the global event monitoring of the Technical Support Center requests. This system was developed in order to provide fast and efficient customer request handling. On the third screen, we have a video that describes the Global Service Center services. Let's watch it together.
Digital transformation is reshaping business models and redefining industries. The ICT infrastructure sets the present and future stages for enterprises in the digital age. With increasing business competition, companies need smart, agile, secure, and professional services.
Per l'italiano si prega di premere 5 e welcome to Huawei Enterprise Services.
Huawei offers a unique one-stop multi-service platform, providing fast and diversified services in 17 languages to help enterprises achieve digital transformation. With 3 global service centers, GSCs, and 5 regional technical assistance centers, TACs, Huawei provides 24/7 global spare parts replacement and cutting-edge remote delivery in cooperation with top logistics partners across the world. 3,800 Huawei experts from different countries collaborate with more than 2,900 global service partners and 26,000 engineers that provide professional services locally in over 170 countries. Huawei's Global Service Center, GSC, offers 4 major services: network O&M, technical support, remote delivery, and partner support. Huawei's professional network O&M and technical support help enterprises improve operational efficiency and network availability. Huawei actively promotes the use of information technologies by building remote delivery centers to accelerate deployment and achieve global collaboration. Huawei provides 24/7 network O&M services. When a fault occurs on your equipment, it is configured to send an alert within 2 seconds. The alarm severity and trouble tickets will be automatically delivered and processed. After the trouble ticket is processed, the system will intelligently recommend similar cases to accelerate problem handling. The Emergency Handling Platform offers quick access to professional technical support with more than 1,000 experts worldwide. The on-site AR technology revolutionizes collaboration with remote experts who are ready to help you quickly solve issues. We have more than 1,100 city-level warehouses around the world to ensure delivery in 64 major cities within 4 hours. Spare parts warehouses can be built with efficient dispatch capabilities based on customer requirements. Huawei GSC, an intelligent support platform for the digital transformation of the enterprise. Huawei, your trusted service partner.
We continue with the global spare parts capabilities. As you've seen in the video, Huawei Enterprise has also developed unparalleled global spare parts services. We have 1 global spare parts center in Shenzhen in China, 5 regional ones, and also 122 country spare parts centers. Also, we have more than 1,100 field stock locations within countries, and we provide 24/7 spare parts services according to the spare parts capabilities and to the contract, as you can see on the map. Continuing, the Technical Support Center or Technical Assistance Center is the biggest one and the most important one from the Global Service Center. If we talk about the human resource capabilities, we have more than 500 engineers that can provide technical support in 17 languages. You can reach us through different channels, and we provide different types of services, as you can see here. Let's check the operation process to solve a customer service request. Once it is opened, in function of the problem difficulty and emergency level, we can provide either standard or emergency support. The emergency support is provided once the customer experiences service interruption. And in function of the problem's nature, we can provide either on-site or remote support. Usually, we solve the issues remotely. For any issue, we can provide further analysis, and after the solution constitution and implementation, we wait for customers' confirmation that the problem was solved. Only then, since customer satisfaction is very important to us, we send the satisfaction survey and we can close the customer service request. The processing flow of this request is from the customer care representative to the level 1 customer service engineer that can escalate the ticket to the product support engineer and from them to the level 3 research and development engineer. If the problem requires on-site intervention, then the customer service engineers can assign it to the field service engineers. Huawei provides also professional services, and the service is the enabler of the digital transformation. We accelerate this together with our certified service solution partners, and we provide the transformation in different industries through solutions like cloud migration and operation support, smart data enablement, disintegration, and so on. I'd like to insist a bit on the remote managed services provided by the Network Operations Center of Romania GSC. This team uses the X as a service platform to provide network surveillance 24/7. And taking the success story of one of our French customers, they reduced the OPEX by 30% and also the number of alarms by 70%. The troubleshooting time was decreased from 1.5 days to less than 1 hour. And continuing, we have the talent ecosystem built by Huawei in order to sustain the growth of the ICT industry. This ecosystem has encompassed all the Huawei Enterprise and solutions, Huawei Enterprise products and solutions, and is open not only to the Huawei employees but also to the customers, partners, and of course to the students through the learning institutions, our authorized learning partners and education institutions, and we hope that by 2024 to have certified 1 million ICT talents ready to join the ICT industry. These were the screens and their content in the exhibition hall. We move towards the exhibition meeting room, the space where our visiting guests meet the technical specialists and have in-depth discussions. Then right across this room we have the GNOG room, a space with restricted physical access due to the information confidentiality displayed on the screens. What you see now is just a simulation of the real-time data. On the left screen we usually have the ticketing tool. On the middle screen, we have the eSite server CSP portal in which our colleagues can check the functionality of the devices on our customers' network. And on the right side, we have the eService tool used to observe the servers of all our customers. The GNOC room is also designed to have a war room in case of emergency problems. This is the CCR room where our colleagues working 24/7 as the interface of the technical support center receive in 7 foreign languages requests from our customers and partners by email, hotline, web clients, live chat. They receive monthly an average of 2,000 tickets. service requests. And this is the GTAC war room. Similar to the NOC war room, this serves for the P1 emergency situations, the situations in which one of our customers experience service interruption. In this type of cases, we have a recovery leader gathering level 1, level 2, and level 3 engineers, so a recovery group. And together they discuss and try to find the solution with the less service interruption and business impact on customers' network. This is the space of the marketing and channel support teams. It hosts 3 teams with different roles, providing different channel-oriented services. We have the marketing team in charge of service brand promotion, visit reception, feedback collection, and service improvement. Then the service renewal team in charge of sending quotations, doing follow-ups, and renewing the contracts. And the English forum team that provides the promotion management and the development of the English support community. This is the Noble Video Conference Room, the space where we gather to have conference with our colleagues globally. And this is a VC Huawei product. Continuing, we have the Huawei Certified ICT Expert wall. We have the certificates of both local and Chinese engineers here, and I would like to specify that the ICT expert is the highest rank of certification in Huawei so far, coming after the ICT architect and ICT professional. In front of it, we have the remote delivery center room. Here, the remote delivery team in charge of network planning and design, different project deployment, change operation, and so on, use the remote delivery tool in order to either deploy some projects or to help the on-site specialist of our customers and partners. From time to time, the engineers from this team can also support the project on site. This is the spare parts center area. These 4 lines belong to the spare parts team from Romania GSC. They are in charge of planning and supporting the planning and of the delivery management of the spare parts for the European countries. They provide 24/7 support in different foreign languages. And besides this, the European spare parts capabilities have also logistics center in Hungary, in Budapest. The quality control space is the place where the quality control team makes sure that the best practices are implemented in the business processes and that these are respected through internal audits. This is where the technical support center dedicated space starts. The technical support center from Romania GSC as regional tech supports requests coming from European countries as well as from Australia and New Zealand, whereas Global Technical Assistance Center, they take charge of different escalated requests from Japan, Korea, and North America. This technical support center provides functions like remote troubleshooting, on-site work order dispatch, also spare parts dispatch, customer satisfaction improvement, and so on. And talking about the human resource, we have more than 120 level 1, level 2, and level 3 engineers gathered in the same space. This support center has 3 office facilities, one in Bucharest here, and the other ones in Timișoara, another city in the west of Romania, and Sydney. The technical support center has more than one team according to the different product lines that they support. So we have here the space of the IT and network energy team. Then the space belonging to the network team that encompasses the IP specialists and also transmission and access specialists. And on these last two lines, we have the level 2 and level 3 engineers gathered with the CSCs for a fast and efficient communication when having to solve customers' requests. We then have the training classroom. This is the place where we hold all of our technical and non-technical trainings, and the room has a capacity of around 50 people. Continuing, we can see the lab scenarios because we are approaching the lab. The laboratory of Romania GSC has 40 racks mounted with more than 300 devices covering all Huawei product line products like switches, firewalls, storages, routers, cloud computing products, video conference, unified communication, transmission and access, network energy, and wireless products. We use it to build many typical scenarios like campus network, a small and mid-sized WLAN, Fusion Sphere solutions, and so on. This lab provides four main functions, namely solution verification, online maintenance, and troubleshooting mirror verification, change management verification, and also the technical skills improvement of our engineers. Last but not least, we have the space where the Cloud Core network and wireless team from the Technical Support Center works. And then we can see the relax area where our colleagues can enjoy a nice coffee, a break, and a nice view of the city. And whenever we want to have lunch or dinner together, we can come to the cafeteria. These were the main stops and facilities of Huawei Romania GSC. Hopefully you enjoyed them and you enjoyed this tour, and we are looking forward to see you and receive your visit in Bucharest. Thank you very much.